Good evening. I wanted to show you my really simple routine tonight. I'm just using our multi-purpose balm, which is a hard balm that melts into your hands, as you can see from this video. This balm contains gorgeous properties like squalane, bisabolol, jojoba oil, coconut, calendula, apricot oil, rosehip oil and almond oil, which are all really rich, nourishing, soothing, hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. I'm using this to take my makeup off. As you can see, it literally melts away, and then I'm actually just applying this tonight as my overnight mask. So this is a multi-purpose balm, and I'm just going to do a little massage into the skin, boosting oxygen and blood flow to the areas, and just working the product in and leaving this overnight to make my skin feel absolutely gorgeous in the morning as well. Add a little bit more to my hands and just a little bit of our lip balm, which is hydrating and nourishing overnight. That is me done.